Happy Saturday. By the time you see this video, it'll be a Sunday. I haven't volunteered to work on my day off in 6 months. I will talk about that in the next video, and I will use this camera right here to talk about why I showed up on a Saturday after 6 months. So this is really short notice, but I'm doing a impromptu van meet in a couple of weeks. Me and this gentleman right here, Sebastian's Life 91. I will link you to his video if you guys haven't seen this channel yet. We are meeting up on the 18th of this month, so a couple of weeks away. I know it's really short notice, but if you want to hang out with us on the 18th, we're going to Hungry Valley. I'm very familiar with Hungry Valley now, so we're going to do an off-road run. So here's the address right here. It's a couple blocks away from Hungry Valley if you want to sleep at Pilot. There's also rest areas nearby, or you could sleep in Hungry Valley for $10. So there's the address right there. The big van meet is going to be in October, early October, like October 7, 8, 9, something like that, or 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll keep talking about that as the weeks go on, but that's the big one, October, and we're up to 16 people for the October van meet, 16 people interested. So yeah, if you want to hang out, do an impromptu van meet with me and Sebastian, there's a date right there, the 18th. I will hang out with you guys around noon. I'm not going to stay too long. I'm hanging out with my girlfriend. That's our halfway point long distance relationship. But me and Sebastian have been talking van stuff. So we're going to do a fun video. We're going to do a collab for you guys. I know a couple of you are interested in the RTZ lift kit. So we're going to line up our van side by side so you can see what a 5-inch lift next to a 3-inch lift looks like. So if that's the route you want to go with the 3-inch lift, we'll have our van side by side. Or maybe you want to see how much taller it is on a 5-inch lift versus a 3-inch lift. So Sebastian's a cool guy. He really cares about this lifted van community. So we're going to do a cool collab for you guys. So hopefully a couple of you could show up. It's really short notice. Hey, I understand if you can't show up. I'm still in the rat race here, working a normal job. Sebastian, yeah, he has his life figured out, man. A business owner. I hope to be on that level one day. But for the most part, I know most of us are just blue collar, hardworking people. So, yeah, short notice. But if you could make it, that would be great. So, yeah. First time in 6 months. Look, no one's here. It's like old times. All right, everyone. Have a great weekend.